What is DevOps? DevOps is many things. This is one of them. DevOps is an organizational cultural practice which allows for the collaboration of software developers and IT operations specialists in the building, developing, testing, improvement, and deployment of applications based on the stakeholders' requirements in a timely manner. DevOps is aimed at shortening the product lifecycle and ensuring that quality is maintained. DevOps is made possible by the use of a variety of tools such as Git and GitHub, Jenkins, SonarQube, Maven, Nexus, Ansible, Prometheus, Grafana, New Relic, Docker, Docker Hub, Kubernetes, Jira, and more. These tools have very many different functions, and I'll briefly explain them in this video. However, it is important that we know something. In DevOps, these tools make possible the automation of functions, and that is the heartbeat of DevOps. Automation in this context refers to a system that is able to self-function, and this is very important in DevOps. In this point, I'm sure you're asking what these tools really do. Here is a summary. Git is a tool used for managing changes. GitHub is the largest source code host. Some people may easier refer to it as a code repository, which helps developers easily collaborate. Jenkins is a tool that automates processes like software building, testing, and deploying. Kubernetes is an open source tool that is used for managing containerized applications. Ansible is the tool that is used for continuous delivery of software code. Note that these are only some of the tools. To give you a clearer picture of the process that goes on in DevOps, let's take an example. Let's say this is an organization, and this organization practices DevOps. DevOps engineers develop their code. The code is deployed or moved to Git and GitHub. Through a process of pooling, a tool called Jenkins derives the code in Git and GitHub, and then the code is deployed from Jenkins to Maven for application compilation and building. The code is also deployed from Jenkins to SonarQube for quality verification or testing. If the quality of the code is verified after testing, then the code is sent to Ansible to be deployed to the app servers, which eventually launch it. But this process is not complete, as there's a possibility that the app could suffer some issues. If that happened, DevOps also provides a feedback loop for monitoring the application deployed to the app servers. The monitoring is done by tools such as Prometheus, Grafana, New Relic. In event of any issues, the monitoring tools trigger a report sent to the support team, who raise a ticket through a CRM such as Jira, and then the developers can deal with the issues. As we mentioned earlier, this is just a snapshot of what happens in DevOps. Subscribe for more. Thank you for watching.